guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this summer pop of color makeup look. I just really love this makeup. I'm recreating it from Amanda Devon's picture that she had posted and the YouTube video that she posted as well. If you guys don't follow her, you should. She's amazing, but this is the picture she posted. I'll post the accounts below so you guys can go check them out. But she was inspired by another makeup account, and that account is called Makeup by Isabel, and this is the look that Amanda was inspired by. They both used more of an orangey reddish color, and I decided to do a hot pink color. Also, this makeup has no foundation whatsoever. I honestly hate wearing foundation, so I just decided to create this without foundation. But the star of the show is this Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid matte lipstick, and this is the shade. It's in Oh My Dolly, and I use this for my liner and my lipstick. Got that idea from Amanda. You smart girl, you smart. Using one product for two things. Smart. So if you guys want to see how I created this or recreated this makeup look, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's jump right into the video. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to prime and hydrate my skin, and this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist, and this is for hydrating. This stuff smells so good. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Rimmel London Good to Glow highlighter, and this is in the shade Soho Glow. Since I'm not using foundation today, I do want something that my blush and bronzer is going to stick to, so this is going to really help with that, and also it's going to help give us kind of like a glowy look too. For concealer, I'm going to use my all-time favorite. This is the Maybelline Master Conceal by Facestudio in the shade Light Medium. Okay, so moving on to my face, I'm going to use the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer Powder, and this is in the shade Sunlight. This is what it looks like. For blush, I'm going to use this Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso. This is one of my favorite blushes. I think this is an all-time original blush on YouTube because I noticed like the original YouTubers used to use this blush a lot. I just purchased this like recently, and it's one of my favorite blushes. Probably should have done this first, but that's okay. I can still go ahead and set my eyes. I'm going to use the Airspun translucent, I can't talk today, translucent powder to set my eyes. And I'm just going to take a little bit on my beauty blender and just press that in my skin. Okay, so I feel better now that my eyes are set. I'm going to go ahead and spray some of this Milani Make It Last setting spray right before I put my highlighter on. And then I'm going to use the Becca highlighter in the shade Opal. Sadly, mine's broken, but I still use it because it's pretty. Okay, so since we're doing a pop of color on the eyes today, I'm not going to do a whole lot of eyeshadow. The only thing I'm going to do is take that same bronzer and kind of just buff that in my crease. Okay, now for brows, I'm gonna take my Anastasia brow width pencil and I'm just gonna fill in my brows just a little bit. So now I'm going to take my Mary Kay brow gel. My favorite brow gel ever, and I am completely like out of it. Moving on to eyes, I'm going to take the Tarteist Double Take Eyeliner. This is the two-sided one. One's a pencil and then one's a liquid liner. I'm going to take the liquid and I'm just going to go ahead and do my wing. Moving on to the color winged liner, I'm going to be using one product for two things, and I saw Amanda Devon do this and I thought that was a really smart idea. So I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick for the liner and then for my lips, and this is in the shade Oh My Dolly. It's a really pretty hot pink color. And I'm going to take the wand and I'm going to put the product on my hand, and then I'm going to take a liner brush. This is like really small. You can like barely see it. And then I'm going to dip that in the product and use that to build my wing. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. So I just finished the eyeliner. It was a little challenging, but I was able to do it. So now I'm going to go in with mascara. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black and the L'Oreal Telescopic. Okay, so last thing is lips. And I don't have a hot pink lip liner, so I'm just gonna use this nude one. This is the NYX Suede Lip Liner in Sandstorm. Okay. I don't know why, but it's like darker on my lips than it is on my eyes, but maybe because it's the lip liner. I don't know. Okay, so last thing is Milani Make It Last spray. Oof. How good this looks, and I didn't even put foundation on. I hate wearing foundation. It's like my least favorite thing to wear ever. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.